Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of this Wasserstein smart water temperature and humidity sensor. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this puppy, see what's in here. So let's go over what was in the box. First things first is, of course, your smart water temperature and humidity sensor. It's right here. This is what we're looking at right here. This is the product right here. It also comes with a water detection cable, which is this little baby right here. You do need 2 AA batteries. Let's see if they provide it. Yep, the 2 AA batteries are here. You have some wall mounting screws. We have the wall mounting bracket right here, the user manual or the owner's manual. So first thing it wants us to do is go ahead and download the app, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take you through the steps as if you're gonna open it up for yourself for the first time. So we're gonna download the app here. I'm gonna scan the QR code. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install. Gonna open this up, and I am going to register because I don't have an account. Put my email address, put in the verification code that it sent you to your email address. Then I'm gonna set my password. All right, I set my password. Now it wants to look for the product. Okay, so the first thing it wants you to do here is, of course, in the back of this, it wants you to get rid of or take these little plastic things off just to make sure there's nothing stopping it. That little piece right there, I don't know if you noticed that right there. This came off. Stick this back in. All right. Make sure that's set up. Okay, then it's gonna want you to reset the device. So you have to press this button, this reset button, for 10 seconds. All right, it says it's connecting. All right, so as you can see, it's been added successfully. It says there water leak sensor is right here. These settings right here, let me pick up the camera a little bit, or let me get it over. These settings right here are pretty spot on. I do have a dehumidifier over there that I turned off for the purpose of filming this this tutorial, and it was, when I turned it off, it was at 50%, and it's telling me my humidity inside the house is at 50%, which is spot on. My temperature inside the house is 79, which is roughly what I have my AC set up. I have it at 77, but I guess because I'm right here with a lot of heat, it registers a little bit hotter. See how it goes up a little bit. The battery status is right there. It's at pretty much 100%. It does give you sensor settings where you can check for water, for temperature and humidity. It also gives you the option to give you some type of humidity ranges so that it'll go off. There's alarms here that'll go off if your humidity goes over a certain percentage, or the temperature inside your house goes over a certain percentage. All right. No alarms yet because I haven't, first of all, installed this water leak sensor, which is this baby right here, which I'm gonna do right now. Connect it and have it ready. Now, this product is really good. I would use this to monitor not only the inside temperature of my house, I can also monitor the humidity, which is also awesome. But this would be more for where you have leaks prone to happen, whether it's underneath a sink that might be messing up on you, or maybe in the laundry room where you have your washer and dryer. Maybe your washer might be faulty or might leak on you, or let's say down in the basement where you want to measure the humidity there, or there's any leaks. Anywhere you have a potential for a leak, this would be a lifesaver right here, because what will happen is if you put this to monitor that and it senses water, it'll alert you that there's trouble somewhere, right? So this is the main thing that you would want to do this. I mean, you would want to use this for is for your water leak sensor right here. Now it does come with a wall mount. You could wall mount this on, like, underneath the sink. You can wall mount it wherever you want with these little this bracket and this these screws. This just goes nice and tight right here, and it'll mount on the wall. And last but not least, it also has this charging, not a charger. It's not going to charge your batteries because you don't have rechargeable batteries. But what it'll do is you can switch the power modes here. You can have it hooked up through battery alone, or you can have it hooked up to where you have it automatically direct power from a wall socket. So a lot of nice little convenient things that this comes with. Main reason that you would want to maybe get something like this is if you don't have something that would, what would you call this, to monitor the humidity inside your house or monitor the temperature. It might not even be the temperature inside your house. You could maybe possibly put it outside somewhere where you're checking the temperature, making sure that it doesn't go too high or too low. If you live in the cold states, something outside that hey, if it reaches below freezing, I need to go outside and do something, maybe a shed or something. Also, if you live in a hot state where I live in the Sun Belt, you can use this to monitor temperatures to make sure something doesn't get too hot, like either in your garage or in back in your shed. Those are a couple of reasons to use this one. But primarily, anybody, whether hot or cold, anybody who has a water issue, possible water leak, possible flooding inside your house because of a busted pipe or something, this would be the sensor that you would want to use to keep an eye on it. All right, so this has been the Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will put a link on the video below to the Amazon link for this product alone, and also I'll put a link to the direct website if you guys want to go directly. But once again, this has been the Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.